Tucker, and this is how to fold a lapel handkerchief. First, decide what type of look do you want. How loud is the tie that you're wearing? Are you even wearing a tie at all? Personally, I like to just stuff my handkerchief in. I like how it looks kind of wild. I think it's a nice juxtaposition compared to the clean and tailored suit look. But if you want to actually fold it, then I suggest folding it down as tight as you can, just to fit into the pocket exactly, and getting just maybe like 1/4 of an inch, even if that, just to give yourself a little pop. This is really cool on like gray blazers if you want to do a clean white pocket square. Then there's also the 4-point method, which is really classic and timeless. This way is pretty easy to fold, but it gives you those different 4 points in your pocket lapel.